Hi, today I want to show you how I took apart a mirror, side mirror from Toyota Corolla 2018. Exactly the same thing applies to Toyota Corolla 2017. So if you want to, for example, remove the mirror, you already gonna know how to do it. So the back of the mirror looks like this. You have only a couple of snaps. I was thinking that I may going to break it when you try to remove it. Basically all you have to do is just push from the side and gently pull it to the side, and this will just pop up. I was thinking I was going to break the plastic snaps that are on the side, but I mean plastic clips, but they didn't break, so that's how it looks. It's a heated mirror. Okay, so this is fine. This is the motor, and the motor is held by only a couple of screws. The worst part to remove is that thing in the middle. This is actually broken, but I'm gonna show you how I removed it, because there is a very easy trick. And let me just put it back together. This is the part that has to go inside of this lip right here. If you want to remove this part from the whole case, you use your screwdriver through this hole and you push this part down, and then this snaps, poof, and it's out. You can easily remove it. The motor is held by 1, 2, and 3 connector points, just like that. So you can put everything back together. It's pretty easy. I don't know if I'm gonna have to do any of those things, but I found this pretty interesting that I can actually take everything apart. I think that everything is gonna be like welded and there's no way you can take it apart. So that's it. All right, thank you for watching. Thanks, bye bye.